some years ago when we used to run score, and it's a sad story about a man from the west of Ireland who went to England and he got caught up with drink, and the story will tell the rest of it. A little pub in London is the name of it.
Oh yeah.
In a little pub in London, Moriarty drank his beer and recited wondrous stories of his exploits far and near. Sing an Irish song, said Kelly, best order one and all. Moriarty sang for them the hills of Donegal. There was cheering at the finish, they called in corps. Moriarty said, listen boys, I can't sing any more. He stood there sad and silent and gazed into his beer, and his eyes there glistened, the starting of a tear. Are you going home for Christmas? The kindly barmaid said, but Moriarty fixed his gaze and slowly shook his head. Sure I haven't been home, sure I haven't been to Ireland now for 20 years or more. My mother would hardly know me if I walked into the door. I was born, said Moriarty, on an island off the west, the last place God created, but the first place that he blessed. My father, God be good to him, was drowned one woeful night. My mother left all lonesome, and myself to work and fight. So with Donal O'Rain and Michael O'Shea, we came across to England to earn an honest pay. I told my dear old mother I'd soon be home again, but the curse of drink came o'er me and enslaved me in its chain. Sure I haven't been to Ireland now for 20 years or more, but I know she still be waiting for my footsteps at the door. Then someone started singing amid the winter snow. It was like an old bell ringing far away and long ago. Moriarty stood there silent and pushed his glass away and made a solemn promise he'd be home for Christmas Day. So he scraped up every penny he could get into his hand, and coming up to Christmas he sailed for Ireland. His heart was filled with gladness. He felt content at last as the train rolled through the Midlands and brought him to the west. In the village of Kilsheelan, that night upon the shore, far across the deep blue waters, he saw his island home once more. The stars, they shone so brightly, how they glistened like a dome on that little whitewashed cottage that was Moriarty's home. 'Tis a grand night for the sailing, said the boatman Thomas Bourne, but Moriarty didn't know him, he had been away so long. As he climbed into the Bardeen, the boatman heard him say, thank God to heaven, I'll be home for Christmas Day. In a little room in London, in Moriarty's poor abode, on a table on the hallway, a message lay untold, and in it read, Dear Danny, your poor mother passed away she'll be buried in Kilsheelan after Mass on Christmas Day.
Now, Mary.